1, 2.
Sounds good to me.
All right. So this is a regular, I think, 511 backpack I got from Tactical, Top Brass Tactical. Um, it's designed for, it stays in my car wherever I go. You know, I go shopping, or I go to the mall, or I go to school, or whatever. This stays in the car. Um, it's designed to be light, easy to go. Um, has a pair of, first of all, every backpack should have water in it. So you got some water, got some food in here, um, and a couple other essentials, some clothing, a pair of socks. Um, the ladies, if y'all keep one in your car, if you go to work and you're wearing a skirt or something, you might have heels on. So you want to have a pair of tennis shoes or hiking boots that you can either put in the bag, maybe a pair of pants that you can change into. That way, if you're on the highway and everybody gets broken down and you have to leave your car, you can hop, grab your bag here. You've got some water, you got some food, and maybe you have 10 miles to walk. So this is designed for short range, um, not something that you're gonna get out of your house with. This is designed to get you home. This one here has a couple of knives. I usually carry a pistol in here. I didn't bring it with me in here, and some ammo. So it's very lightweight. Yuck. So yeah, it's not too bad. I've got some ammo in here now. Y'all can pass it around. Um, and it literally just has the essentials to get you home when you break down or are forced to break down. Um, it's a stripped down bug out bag.
Put you on the spot. What would you maybe include in your bug out bag that you wouldn't include in that?
More shelter, tarp, something, more ammo, different types of ammo. Um, so I have maybe a water purifying tools, because if in the very beginning of any of this stuff, you're going to have access to water. So that has a Camelback in it, so I could fill that thing up and have a couple bottles of water also. Um, but water is essential. You got to have that. Nala, he's starting it. So yeah, it's pretty light. Um,
Keep it good in our nice during summer.
say it again.
How do you keep food where it doesn't ruin itself because of the heat?
Well, what I have in here is rations, um, and it's in this side.
Because I've had jerky go bad, steel jerky go bad because it got too hot. It turned rancid.
I have these.
Emergency ration.
Yeah, that's a high calorie condensed. It's not designed to. It's designed to put food in you, calories in you. Correct.
Tag out the bill whenever you're finished.
Okay.
That'll survive you for 3 days.
Yeah. Now, since I'm so close to my house, this is what I brought. I didn't bring my bug out bag. If I was to go to Houston or someplace like that, I would take my bigger bag. That way, I'd have more supplies than just this little bag. It has all my bags have radios in them, um, fire starting utilities, um, hygiene, toothbrush, stuff like that. Extra pair of socks or two. I do. I have a list that I printed them out. I didn't know we were going to do all this over here, so they're in my truck. Yeah, I have a checklist for get home bags and a checklist for bug out bags. Yeah. Yeah, I could do that. I've got them printed out. I have it as PDFs, so I can do that. Yeah, and I have hard.
But it gives you the idea. Yeah. None of us get home more.
Well, yeah, and all bug out bags, they all have to have the same thing. It's just what you customize it with. You know, you're all going to have water. You're all going to have some type of food, knives, and some type of weapon.
At the bare minimum, 5 C's.
Right. Yeah.
5 C's are
Go ahead.
combustion, cutting tool, handling, cutting, and sorting.
And you also got to remember that.
Handling? No. Handling's part of the 10. You missed cover.
Yeah.
You missed the
That's
cover
the
element.
expanded.
And that would be for a bug out, for a get home bag. If you're, you know.
Yeah, that's your 5 C's. That's
Yeah.
your basic, and then they Canterbury goes into the 10 C, and Handling's part of the 10 C. 5 C's. You got your cover, which starts with your clothes and then goes with. Shelter.
Just one thing that I think about is you have children or kids. I have one for everybody that have again home bag, and they have a radio in there, maybe instructions on what to do, how to operate it, because they will definitely not practice it. I'll tell you what, I have a 17-year-old, and I created a little card for just so, you know, she doesn't want to listen when you're talking to her anyway, right?
Yes, I have. I've put together bags for both of the kids when they go to school. I got a set of plates in their bags for protection, and each one has some rations and a radio in there. And we've done test drills around our area of operations on how to use the stuff and when to cover, you know, because nowadays you don't know what the heck's going to happen. So I've got soft plates in each one of their backpacks for school. So it's not rated to it's lighter. But it's not rated for high caliber rifle. But my thoughts between that was he didn't want it to be so heavy for the kids, and also between the 4 books and the laptop they have in there, I thought that would probably be sufficient. Because I don't know if y'all have ever had kids recently that have to haul their backpacks, but it weighs they're like 50 pounds. Their whole life is in there. They don't have lockers anymore. Yeah, they everything, they carry their backpack with them. They got all their books, their laptop, and
When she drops hers when she gets home, the floor kicks.
yeah.
I mean, I can't believe they do that. It's crazy. I carried maybe 1 or 2 books.
Yeah, I had lockers on each side of the campus. So, but yeah, get home bags, you know, shoes, a good pair of socks, a change of clothes, especially for the ladies. I'm always dressed, ready to go. So this is about as casual as I ever get. I usually have boots on, and so I don't carry extra clothes with me. Maybe an extra pair of socks. Like I'm glad I had an extra pair of socks in here yesterday because mine got wet. So that was good. I had that. I want to go play. Any questions?
Bill wanted to.
This isn't on the agenda, but I just want to add a few things.